This next topic, polynomials, is, as you can see from the page there, it's an extension topic. We're going to look at polynomials in general. So first of all, we'll start with a definition. Polynomial is any algebraic expression there that has that sort of form. So, yeah, some technicalities. Pn can't equal 0. But the other key thing is the powers of x have to be an integer, or more to the point, a positive integer, or 0. Can't have negative indices in a polynomial. So coefficients, well, we should know what coefficients are. They're the number, if you like, that sits in front of the algebra. The index, or exponent, just fancy words for the powers of the pronumerals. Now, this is why Pn can't equal 0. Okay? Because the degree of a polynomial is the highest index. And we say it's of degree n. So, in our definition, if Pn was equal to 0, then n would no longer be the highest power. So that's why that trivial statement of Pn can't equal 0 is there. So that x to the n is always forced to be the highest power, if you like. The leading term is that term that has the highest power, as opposed to the leading coefficient. So make sure you read questions carefully and you know exactly what they're asking for. Did they ask for the leading term, or did they just ask for the leading coefficient? So if it's the coefficient, then we don't put x to the power of n. Monic is when that leading coefficient is 1. We call that a monic polynomial. We can have a polynomial equation. So that's when the polynomial equals some number. Usually we make it equal to 0. As opposed to the polynomial function, so now the polynomial is equal to some other pronumeral, usually y. Roots are solutions to the polynomial equation, as opposed to zeros. Here's the minor technicality. Zeros are the values of x that make the polynomial equal to 0. Now, if you think about it, it's the same answer. But technically, we talk about roots with the equation, okay, and zeros with the polynomial itself. However, you will find that we will contradict ourselves from time to time and use the wrong word for the same thing. Okay, no cheating. Which of the following are polynomials? Hands up for the first one. Polynomial? Oh, why not? Why not? Very good. Can't have a fraction as power. Okay, second one, polynomial. Why not? You're right. Technically, it's got a negative indice. The x squared's on the bottom. So if we were to rewrite that, we'd get x squared plus 3 to the negative 1. No good. Next one. Oh, good. Therefore, what is it? Yeah, what type of polynomial? Yes, it is. Because we could rewrite that as a quarter x squared plus 3/4. And yes for the last one as well. Even though it has no x's in there, but remember we said the power could be 0, so x to the power of 0. Okay, again, no cheating. Is that monic? Gut reaction. Don't do any expanding out, just look at it. And don't look at the sheet. Gut reaction. And state its degree. Now, so you're expanding? Yes. I said gut reaction, look at it. And its degree? 3? Yeah. Think 3. Okay. Any other options? Yes. There it is. We can rewrite it as a monic polynomial of degree 3. Polynomial.